I'm impressed. As developers, we've all been there. You start writing an app, you hit an error, you search Stack Overflow, get stuck, rinse, and repeat. But today, I wanted to see if Visual Studio Code with GitHub Copilot can literally take me from an empty folder to a fully functioning bug-free app. To get started, after creating a project, just press Ctrl-Shift-I on Windows or Ctrl-Command-I on Mac to open Copilot chat window. We then have to log in to get the access, which I might show you in another video. In this example, I was developing an app for automation using C#. That is, to get the contents from a Windows native apps and to execute button click on another app. I started by making a clear prompt of all my requirements. Besides what I have mentioned, I have extra features like having an API to do the automation and scheduled content reading. Then, hit enter to let the AI cook. For context, I activated Copilot Agent Mode and I use a paid Copilot service which has more quota, but you can also use the free tier with some reasonable limits. While the AI is cooking, it will ask for some permission questions like to allow the AI to modify our codes and to execute terminal commands, which uses PowerShell as the default terminal. It even provides what is currently thinking, which means the AI is not a black box anymore like the traditional neural network algorithms. And what's even better, once it creates the code, it will ask a permission to run the code to test whether there are any errors. Of course, like a human programmer, it will hit errors, but it will attempt to fix it by itself. After a few iterations to make sure there's no errors, it will conclude and give a command for me to run the program. So our job is just to check whether it does it well. And sure, it did it well on the first try. We can reiterate on what features we want to add. In this case, I'm doing a complex thing because initially the AI builds it with the latest .NET framework. I want the AI to downgrade it to .NET Framework 3.5 to be able to support Windows XP. And guess what? It did the massive change to the codes, reiterate and fix everything with only one attempt. I rerun the program and it works just like before, but with the .NET Framework now changed to version 3.5. I even put this program into a production machine and have some data streamed to my data pipeline. Going from an empty folder to a fully working API completely changed how I view coding. The 0 to running challenge was a massive success, so let me know in the comments what crazy feature I should make Copilot build next, and hit subscribe for more.